Troy, did you just tell me that you sold 24,000 t-shirts for the Hustle Island? Is that what you said?
Yeah, I didn't even know that was good at the time. I was just selling them. It was a free plus shipping offer. And then obviously, that was our introduction to like ClickFunnels on steroids. And we really got it working super well. And it's crazy. We built up an email list of 147,000 people. And that's what I was referencing when I was saying that, I got my first email experience. So I learned a ton with Greg. And, I actually met a guy on a plane recently, like probably earlier this year, who still had one of those shirts on, even though that was being sold like 3, 4, 5 years ago almost. So it's pretty crazy to see what can happen and just kind of see your impact out there in the world.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing. So you're going through the ClickFunnels program. 24,000 t-shirts sold, 140,000 emails. Can you walk me through that funnel just a little bit? Like, what was your top of funnel? Was it a Facebook ad? I know you'd had some experience with that. Did it start with a Facebook ad? And how did that funnel look?
Yeah, totally. So the Facebook ad was actually very simple. And, Facebook was a lot easier in 2017, 2018. But, some of the same principles applied. It was just like trying to relate to people. And, I still write today, of course. So it was just a matter of relating to people and being like, hey, like new business owner, we get it. Like your family may not believe in you. Some of your friends might think you're crazy. It's kind of like you're trapped on an island all alone. That's why we're Hustle Island, and we are going to send you a free Hustle t-shirt. It has the words, grit, persistence, hard work, all within the shirt, and had an image of the shirt, of course. Just kind of explain like what we stand for and like what you're going to be rocking on your chest. It's free, just pay the shipping, so click here. And then I just went to the funnel, obviously collected their information and went to the second step. The order bump, I think it was like stickers or something. And then the upsells were just more shirts, whether it's the exact same shirt that they can get for a friend or whether it was a different shirt. We had Hustle, Legacy, Patience, and Believe. Those were the 4 shirts. And we also had a $37 a month membership where we were essentially teaching all of like the basics of online business that Greg had learned over the past decade. So that's kind of how the funnel was laid out. And then eventually we sort of turned it into an agency for ads. And that's how I got some of my early clients.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.